More than 150 people are expected to be identified at the beginning of January. A federal judge in New York ordered that court documents that would bring names of Jeffrey Epstein's partners to public in beginning of 2024 should not be used. The documents were part of Epstein's one-time Paramour Ghislaine Maxwell's sexual abuse of Virginia Giufre. Maxwell is currently sentenced to 20 years of imprisonment after being sentenced to sex smuggling and supplying girls for Epstein, who in a Manhattan prison in 2019. Jeffrey Epstein is in a photo published by the Department of Criminal Justice of New York. Anyone who does not succeed in keeping their names away from the civilian case may see that Epstein's names, including the victims, co-conspirators and innocent partners. Judge Loretta Preska was published on January 1 and was given everyone who entered the public appeal everyone who objected the objection. The documents may not clearly indicate why a particular individual is associated with Giuffre's case, but Epstein is expected to be defined in hundreds of files that can reveal more about New York, New Mexico, the Women and Girls.and and other places. Some of the Islamics may be included in deposit, email or legal documents. Jeffrey Epstein joins the launch of Radar magazine at Hotel QT on the 18th of May 2005. Patrick McMullan. File. Some people have already been associated with Epstein. Maxwell, an Epstein partner for a long time, was sentenced to hiring and abuse of non-disregards with Epstein in 2021. He asked the court to break his conviction and 20 years of imprisonment. The prosecutors then called on the Federal Court of Appeal in June to continue the conviction. From 1994-2004, Maxwell Epstein worked together identify girls, groom them, then travel them, carry them their properties in New York, Florida, New Mexico, other places. They were usually sexually harassed under a massage guise. In his case against Maxwell, Giuffre claimed that Maxwell had hired him Epstein for 16 years. He accused of sex. Prince Andrew had repeatedly rejected the allegations and attacked Giuffre's reliability and motives. According letter from Giuffre's lawyer, Prince Andrew never aimed imagine Mrs. Giuffre's character, and according letter from Giuffre's lawyer, both settled abuse victim and agreed suffer as result of unfair public attacks. Jeffrey Epstein is known to have kidnapped countless young girls for many years. Prince Andrew regrets his relationship with Epstein, praises the courage of Mrs. Giuffre and other survivors for themselves. Others